Hey everyone, welcome to Developer by Varun. Today we are diving into the top 5 VS Code extension. If you are a developer who loves sharing clean and beautiful code snippets, this code snap is going to be a game changer for you. Click on extension or press Ctrl+Shift+X in the search bar, type code snap. Now you can see the code snap by app by. Click on install. After the installation, press Ctrl+Shift+P and type code snap. Now click the code snap, then select the code which you want to be in the picture. You can also adjust the height and width of the code snap. After the adjustment, click on the code snap icon. Then you can save your picture to the local folder. If you want the customization, go to the settings and search the code snap. Now you can change the background color, bug shadow and padding. Now you can see the customized code snap. And the second extension is better commands. You can simply comment like this JS file, but better commands uses simple prefixes to style your commands. And search for the better commands. Click install. Now type the !! You can see the text highlighted in the red, and type the !! if you can see the text is highlighted in the blue, and finally !**. You can see the text is highlighted in the green, and also you can change the color and background color in these settings. And the third extension is live share. Go to the extension and search the live share. You can see that live share by Microsoft. Click on install. Click the share button at the bottom of the page. After that, you can see the live share welcome page. I just clicked join myself. It will open one new window, and there you can see the VS Code live sharing. Like this, your collaborator can also join and edit and save your code. By using these links, you can also edit in both of these windows. And the fourth extension is auto rename tag. Just go to the extension tab or simply click Ctrl+Shift+X in search bar, search the auto rename tag, then go to HTML page and rename the tag which you want to rename it. It will automatically rename the both opening and closing tags. And the fifth extension is bracket pair colorization toggler. Just go to the extension and search for bracket. It will show you the bracket pair colorization toggler. Click on install and activate the extension using Ctrl+Shift+P. Then go to the JavaScript file and type the code. It will highlighting the matching brackets in unique colors and making it easy to follow the nested structures. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more apps and cutter. See you in the next one.